Hello, it is Rabbi Bolton from Iran. In just a few minutes will be the holiday of Shvi Shel Pesach, the last day of Passover, commemorating the day that the Jewish people crossed over the Yam Suf, the Red Sea or the Reed Sea, 3,334 years ago. And this is very, very meaningful to us today, especially we Hasidim, Hasidic Chabad, especially we make what's called a Moshiach meal on this day, right at the end of the holiday of Shvi Shel Pesach. What happened when the Jews walked over the sea, and what does that mean to us? There is a midrash, and the Rebbe brings it, we learned it today in the Sikha, that when the Jews went over the sea, as the land was dry, and they grew up suddenly from the land, fruit trees filled with fruit, and the children took the fruit and gave it to the birds to eat, and the birds sang together with the Jews after they crossed the sea. What does this mean? It means very simply like this, that this was a sign of what the Moshiach is going to do. Bring out the potential, the good hidden in everything in the world. The world contains tremendous potential, and so does every human being, and Moshiach will bring it out. And here we have the example. The ground has the ability to grow, to raise up to a higher level, which is called plant. Earth, ground, mineral, doesn't have any power of thought, power of movement, power of growth, is not particularly nourishing, and from it can grow trees. The potential in the ground is to grow trees to raise up to the next level. Trees, on the other hand, have the potential, and vegetation in general, can raise up to a next higher level of consciousness and awareness. Animals have the power of motion, mobility. They can be trained, they can react in a way that plants can't, certainly ground can't. The trees, then, on the other hand, on the next step is they gave fruits, and the fruits were given to the birds, right? The birds then sang with the Jews. The birds rose up to the level from animal to human. The Jews sang to God. So in other words, it elevated even the ground to reveal praising God. And that's what what Mashiach will bring. The whole world will praise God. Every rock, every stone, every animal, every plant, and especially every human. We have tremendous potential. Every human being has tremendous good and blessing hidden within him. And the whole idea of Mashiach is going to make this world such a wonderful and blessed place that no one is going to think of the world to come. No one will think of going to heaven, because every single moment in this world we can give God pleasure. So I'm wishing you all a happy holiday, and God willing, after the holiday is finished, we'll all be dancing together, all the Jewish people in Jerusalem, with the Holy Temple and Mashiach now.